What about now? Do we have sound? Guys, what about sound? I said I had issues this morning with OBS. Okay, one more check. Okay, never mind. Annoying. I was trying to start stream and OBS just showed me like issue. I wasn't able to do anything. Dasha, it's okay. This mic cost like $600, I believe, or so. Can be wrong, maybe less. All right. Talking about this trade, it was 5-minute idea. So we took minor liquidity level. We have untapped fair value gap lower, 30-minute fair value gap. We have equal lows lower. We got 5 hourly potential SIP and 5-minute OB. Entry, SMT with silver, I believe. Trap lower. I'm looking for 50%, but main target was at 89. So basically where we are right now. Yeah. Sorry guys for delay. I'm just trying to figure out what's... it's like second day I have some issue with my mic. Or with my like sound. I know what's wrong. Maybe, you know, like I upgraded like Windows, updated this couple of days ago. By the way, like 2 days ago. And my mic really stopped working like it worked before. And I'm extremely annoyed because I really don't understand what is going on. Okay. What I'm watching right now, I'm watching 50% of 30-minute fair value gap. On hourly, we have untapped fair value gap here. So basically, I'm watching to touch this fair value gap at least. So basically, we need break below 36.87. At least try to break this level. Yeah, like 4 micros left. I don't really care anymore. I mean, I do care because I would like to see like lower. I'll trail my stop loss at this win. I mean, like probably it's okay target over here. We swept this flat candle. I'm looking for lower move. By the way, I was able to get 21 points this night. Brilliant trade. Maybe I need to reinstall my OBS because something wrong with my mic. Sound is overall okay, right? Well, sorry guys about this. I really don't understand what is going on. So far for this month, I had 2 losing trades and 2 losing trades on silver. I didn't take any losses on gold yet, but every single time when I say I didn't take any losses, I take losses. Next day, next candle, exactly, it's a 3-minute chart, 5-minute chart. At the open of next candle, edit once we respected 5-minute fair value gap. That's it, that was the plan. I know like overall it says like I have 71% win rate. I don't know why, because probably sometimes trade NQ, ES, probably that's why it's like this. We have problem with sound. I know. Should be better right now. I think so. So let's see. I took my major, like most position off where I expected to get this reaction. I'm holding this 4 micros. I call this runner to 50% of 30-minute fair value gap. On NQ and ES, that's a great question. We got absolutely brilliant pump to 66.20, 66.19.75. But honestly, I have projections slightly higher. at 67.27. So I'm wondering if it's going to offer 66.27 this week. But remember, we talk about FMC yesterday. We discussed that probably we would like to see FMC higher, like big move up, and probably Thursday and Friday will start dropping. So maybe we will start drop. Who actually knows? So let's see if my runner is going to feel like full TP. If not, then okay. We will look for another trade after 10. I didn't ignore hourly fair value gap. What I want to see, we got sweep on hourly, and we have untapped fair value gap lower in discount. That was the main reason why I decided to give it a try. We got perfect SMT, we got move up to first liquidity level. Right now, expect to get a test of 50% or untapped fair value gap. That was the reason. Only the reason. Nothing else. Still we have fair value gaps lower, 30-minute fair value gap lower, hourly fair value gap lower, but we're trying to respect 30-minute OB. So probably, see this order block? Probably it can offer a reaction, but honestly wants to see fair value gap. So if the rest is going to stop here, like in profit, it's fine. I will look for another entry after 10. Yeah, it should be better. Sorry about this. I will look for another entry after 10 if it's going to offer a reaction from this 30-minute OB, like breaker block, order block. But once again, my concern remains this fair value gap, 30-minute and hourly. It's untapped fair value gap, but it doesn't look like breakaway gap. Like, yeah. So once again, original plan is to sit in this trade, like to this 30-minute fair value gap. And if smart money reversal offered, look for reversal. Longs. A bit annoyed like it didn't take 30-minute fair value gap, which was like obvious. Overall bias, I feel like I'm more bullish overall. It's always hard to be bearish on gold. We got strong move up. Like, guys, did you see yesterday week on gold where it was? Like, what it was? Explain this to me. Like, remember we were aiming for Asia high yesterday? And we took Asia high and dropped immediately, like 30 points. It was like nothing. Yeah, crazy. Then I took short. Yesterday posted executions on Twitter. And right now, I'm just, once again, feel like it's strange right now. And probably I would like to see just move from discount to premium, from premium to discount. That's why I would like to see discount array, which is fair value gap. Yeah, I believe after 10 is going to be a bit better picture. Not right now, after 10. When you didn't boost up... Okay, when we have displacement, huge, like let's say that's 3-minute chart. Let's just say we have 1-2 sequence of up close candles and huge displacement. So I will put my stop loss at 50% of order block. But here it was like, I wouldn't say it was displacement. It was like really nothing. Best time to trade gold. I keep mentioning this every single time, but I'm going to make bigger window. So first setup is going to be between 7 and 9 a.m. Second setup, but entry can be a bit later. So that's why I'm going to increase window right now. 9:50 a.m. to 11 a.m. So basically silver bullet, but setup normally starts at 9:50. That's for AM session and pre-market. For Asia, 7 to 10 p.m. New York time, of course. That's only time window that I'm watching for gold. Lots of people ask me why I don't trade PM session, because PM session for gold is just really chop, slow price action. So something like this. So I decided to start just making 1 minute recaps and posting this on YouTube and Instagram. Is going to be easier to understand why I took the trade, because once again, sometimes on streams it's a bit harder. But guys, highly recommend to watch these times to trade gold. Outside this time, once again, it doesn't mean like outside this time you cannot trade. Of course you can trade, but the only difference is going to be when we have like, when we inside this time, we have high probability setups. Outside this time, low probability setups, but still valid. So what I trade, oops. Let's like just quick notes. Model. It's going to be easier to understand. High time frame level always. One second. Guys, you know, it's funny. I'm going to continue right now. Funny, what I love in Florida, when someone call you, they 100% sure it's okay to speak Spanish. They 100% sure I'm going to speak with Spanish as well. They even start like communicating in Spanish. I mean, like, really? It's not first time. Every single time when I get a call from Florida number, I'm like, oh, yeah, of course. And you know what my husband is doing? He speaks Russian with them. It's so funny. Continue. Reaction. Instead of potential, I will type P if you don't mind. Quick notes. Model a trade. Where should I put this? Give me 1 second. That's it. That's all you need, guys. That's all you need. Spanish is beautiful. I mean, of course, but why people really think like it's okay in US, in America, call someone and start speaking Spanish? I mean, of course, I'm going to call someone and start speaking Russian. Like, why not? That's mind blowing. I cannot understand this shit. So it's just not normal in my opinion. Because it's Florida, yeah. I mean, like, Frank, you speak Spanish? Wow, I didn't know about this. I know nothing in Spanish, like really nothing. So once again, we have millions potential sweeps on every single time frame, but potential height of reaction from height from level must be confirmed by sweep, not sweep. Just regular sweep, I'm going to end as a trade. Reaction from height and from level must be always, and once again, always must be confirmed by sweep. Not once again just random sweep in the middle of nowhere. Make sense? We have equal lows over here. I'm sorry, guys. Never took this. But once again, a reaction from high time level must be confirmed by hourly or 30-minute SIP for intraday buyers. Because if you start looking for, let's say, I don't know, 4-hour potential SIP, daily SIP, of course we are not going to get good entry with good stop loss at the middle of day, right? ICT says don't short all-time high. Do we only look for longs? No, you're looking for your model. I'm going to repeat this again, guys. Even if someone will tell you short and this guy or girl has 110% win rate, you're not going to do this. You're going to follow your model. Even if you're wrong, you're going to follow your model. I started late because I have problem with OBS and my mic, as always, for some stupid and magical reason. So today I'm going to make $900. I hope so. Just trail is over here. I mean, people saying like I didn't show losses, guys. I swear, is a god. I show everything. I just really trying to show you it works. Yeah, I have video about this on my YouTube channel. How I'm up 14 points if like 2 hours 14 points? What? How is it impossible? Where is low? 89.7. I never got this. It's okay. Like 2 micros left. Perfect trade. Oh, I don't win everything. Like, guys, I blew my Apex accounts last month trading in Q because I had only losing trades. Why I took this? I explained at the beginning of video, but let's discuss. See, we got sweep of this liquidity level. Since we're inside the range, we want to move. We want to see price moving from discount to premium, from premium to discount. So we're on premium. We took minor liquidity level. I'm aiming for what level? I'm aiming for discount, and in discount we had untapped fair value gap. What is actually going on? What was the problem to take final TP? I mean, who cares? But I do care about this. I'm going to trail stop loss at this water block. Just keep trailing lower. We took liquidity level, first liquidity level, internal liquidity level, and this move up. And this move down. It was level. Lower we had untapped hourly fair value gap and 30-minute fair value gap. So I'm capping across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts today. Okay, what if we don't have like sweep on gold, but we took higher from level? Normally, I don't take trades at this point. Yeah, no matter how bad I would like to see move lower or higher, normally I don't take trades. Because model, I need to follow the model, says a reaction from high to from level must be confirmed by 30-minute and hourly sweep on gold. Once again, you can apply market maker model idea here. I just don't want to mix strategies on gold. As long as it works for me, I'm totally fine to miss a trade. I see absolutely nothing wrong with this. It's totally fine. But I'm just trying to follow model. Because guys, I learned from my mistakes. If I'm not going to follow the model, I'm going to hate myself later. Because I chase the price. Just trying to be more like disciplined, right? My bad. This is only how we can find consistency and profitability, right? Come on, Gold, stop playing games. Just hit final TP. I can be done for the day. Stop playing stupid games. We don't need them. I love you, Gold. You know, I have an idea. Maybe it will be better to create PDF on this model rather than video. Yeah, PDF. Why didn't I think about this before? It's really easier. Yeah, video too, but PDF is way, way easier. You can print this. No, one about gold model only, like couple of like 5 pages explains the model. Oh my god, I didn't think about this. Yeah, of course, I have video already, just need to finish editing this. That's a brilliant idea. Yeah, I will do this. You know, my friend came yesterday from North Carolina. She said like, I can help you with kids. If you like want to work during the night, I can sit with them. I was like, really? Really? So I have help at least for the next 5 days. Yeah. So I made $895 on 8 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8. 8, yeah. 8 accounts. Didn't copy this on Apex today. $200. You know, my husband always says $200 is all you need every single day. Every single day. That's all you need. 3-5 micros for $200. It's not hard. It's not hard, especially on gold. So I was initially when I was watching this trade. Let me take a screenshot from I sent this to my friends. Like this morning when I was watching this setup, I was like, initially I was like, I want to take this trade right now, but honestly, order block was quite tricky, and I was like, I'm not sure. But idea was if it's going to displace, I'm going to just add. And then I was still watching this setup, like never went too long. When I saw this shit as well, like yeah, it wasn't perfect. I still was watching short, like nothing changed. My main target was like 90-93 area first, but after this I was watching for drop towards the hourly fair value gap. We had untapped fair value gap, that's why I was watching this. Continue. Yeah, guys, we are going to try to trade after 10 again. Well, guys, market is open. And once again, I trade only one model on gold, nothing else. So if it's lost, it's lost. But once again, it's pretty much high probability model, like always. We are going to look for another trade after 10. So I will ask my friend if she can sit with kids today. If I can stream Asia. I will ask her about today. So as you can see, we have zero reaction from 30-minute fair value gap and hourly fair value gap. So there is a chance to see potential continuation lower. We're gonna see right now. Let's make it less, but I'm going to keep this on my chart. Like no FOMO, yep. I like feels like I closed way early. Oh my. Oh yeah, look at this displacement. I got 14 more. I got 15 points, but it's already dropped 19 points. Wow. Yeah, we have some lows over here, like lots of wicks. I wouldn't say like probably liquidity level, but if it wants to drop, it's going to be here. This area, like between low and lots of wicks there. I know how to call this area, like rejection block. Want to take same trade, you had to take this trade. Never, like, once again, if you want to take the trade, take it. Otherwise, no risk, no reward. London low. By the way, where's my time? Why I have time here? Lots of questions. Oh, all right. London low. Oh yeah. 5 points. 5 points with 5 micros. That's $250, right? I'm going to delete this for now. I'm looking for trade after 10 again. Good morning, Michael. Where's the killer today? It's only 9:37 a.m. We got perfect trade. How are you? I saw your last video. It was brilliant video. Like, amazing one. I even took notes, you know, it was perfect. Like, lots of good stuff for me there. So far, we're stuck with trading gold. By the way, guys, maybe I need to move my camera slightly higher. Give me 1 second. I'm probably going to do this. Sounds like a deal. Easier to see everything. Yeah, guys, if you didn't watch new video about how to trade all-time high, I highly recommend this. Alright, guys, let's see if we are going to reach this area. So basically rejection block, right? Yeah, remember ICT, like, I guess 1 month ago said, price action on September 15 is going to be better. I'm like, yeah, why is September 15? But really after September 15, it became better. How did he know this? So we're approaching this 5-minute rejection block. Honestly, I don't want to short below rejection block just yet, but let's try to put some levels, I guess. It's London low, some liquidity here, and nothing else. I will be surprised to see just... What a drop, like really, guys. No FOMO, no FOMO. I got $900 on this trade. Like, no FOMO, it's enough, Dasha, for you. Since my entry, it dropped 26 points. Had to leave one micro at least. I would say ICT joins my stream at least once a week. So it's not first time. So, okay, guys, let's switch on EOS. We're waiting for 10 on gold. Okay. We're displaying 2 standard deviation of, I guess, 5-minute manipulation lag. On EOS. Let's try to put some levels. You know, yesterday we got crazy move up, like this night. And right now, just crazy move down. But once again, as we expected to get yesterday, we expect to get FOMC higher. And right after this attempt to drop, I would say ICT works everywhere. Yesterday, I was visiting, I guess it was My Funded Futures TV stream. And I was reading comments. Like, you know, when I visit My Funded Futures streams, when it's Asia, lots of people ask me if I'm real or not. I'm like, why? And lots of people said, like, ICT doesn't work. ICT is, like, scam. I was like, what? Yeah, gold entered our zone. We're gonna see. Oh. London low, yeah, almost. Huge trap. Like, guys, I got 15 points. That's a lot. But it's dropped 31 points for my entry. Crazy. Okay, going to send a screenshot to my husband because when he entered the room, he said, like, it doesn't look good. Let me send this to him. So it's about to create hourly order block on ES, but we already have hourly order block on NQ. So let's see if this hourly order block confirmed by 5-minute structure. Yes, it does. I'm looking right now on what's wrong with indicators today. Never mind. Okay, here's new hourly candle, 9 a.m. So we just got this order block. So basically, it can be continuation pattern. So below this continuation, like below, looking at this continuation pattern, let's just see where's 2R. Just dropped 20 points so far. Right below this lows. So I'm actually I'm not going to take it. You know, I have bad relationship with NQ. But consider models that trade on gold. Let's see if it can drop to 578. Like 70, 80 points lower. Fine, but I cannot say same I see on ES. Just ES feels like a bit more tricky. But I was watching CL this morning. Let's see what we got. Because I was looking for short on CL, but I decided to like take trade on gold instead. Let's see how much we could make with one mini contract. Like $280. Not a big deal. Same model, see guys? Potential 30-minute SIP, confirmed by 3-minute OB, our time window between 7 and 9 a.m. 2R. But once again, I didn't really like this. I don't know why I don't really like silver recently. It just feels like it's choppy for me. Can I see gold? Of course. Gold approaching London low. Oh my god. Oh my god. No FOMO. No FOMO. What is going on? Oh my god. Okay, 15 points. Dasha, that's a lot. What you talking about? Guys, I'm going to wait for gold for 10 a.m. because right now just trade moved on to enter. Enter right now is just no, it's not realistic even like. I may actually look for trade on ES again today. Yeah, it's just not smart. Not smart. What kind of sell side it is? Oh, it's like London low. Why I call this? For example, what kind of model highlighted here? Exactly same model as the trade on gold. Nothing else. On 5-minute chart, we got potential RSC. Okay, guys, talking about. Remember we talk about scaling, or let's say we miss a trade. We're going to like enter later. So we got potential sweep. Let's say we didn't see the setup. Like we were in front of our computer to scale in our trade, like or enter again. We're waiting for a new hourly candle and fresh order block this hourly candle. We got that one. Like short from here, 2R. Like 2R is always a way to go. Why no music today? I mean, it should be here. I said like something wrong with my mic today and OBS. I had the problem. I was trying to fix this problem for almost 15 minutes. Okay, let's say guys, we want to add into our position, or let's say we missed initial entry. It doesn't mean like we cannot engage again. Of course we can, but how? So let me hide these 30-minute candles. Going to leave just hourly. Let's give it time to load indicator because something wrong with TradingView today as well. Okay, we saw potential sweep. Everyone can see this. I'm going to highlight for you as well. Potential sweep, right? Potential sweep was confirmed by 5-minute OB. Was it confirmed? Yes, it was. Perfect, amazing, brilliant. But it was at 8:40 a.m. Let's say we didn't see this. Like we had we're running some other errands, right? Okay, perfect. What else I want to do? Like I miss this trade. I want to enter. I am bearish. I would like to see lower. I'm going to wait for continuation lower, but continuation lower will be only when we didn't hit higher from level with this candle. Once we got potential sweep, continuation lower will be too higher from level most of the time. With next candle, I mean. So in order to enter the trade, continuation, we need to wait for new hourly candle and new order block within this hourly candle. So we got just one single up close candle. We got the closure below this level. Like we want to enter at the open of next candle. Our stop loss swing low. We want to aim for 2R. It's, I mean, model here. You want to, it's screenshot if you want. Like screenshot this, guys. My funded futures allows to trade gold. Let me show you what you need to do on your dashboard. Go to my funded futures, going to type steps. I'm doing this every day. Dashboard. Type in steps, guys. This is what you need to do to get data on gold. Steps highlighted in the chat. You're welcome. You're not first. Like I get this question every single day. I had this problem as well. Okay, guys, let's see if my trade ES today. Guys, who participated in Ninja Trader Arena competition? I didn't take any trades yesterday. I'm up, as I said before, like $1,293 or so. So still sitting with that balance. And no, I don't know my win rate, but I was loading all my trades from accounts because I know my win rate on gold. to TradeZella, it says 71%. I don't know why it's 71%, why it's not less, why it's not more, but it highlights NQ trades, ES trades, silver trades. I took 2 losses on silver this month. Some CL trades, some euro trades, and gold trades. So overall, it says 71%. So I think like if I want to trade only gold, it's better. But since I still trying to trade other markets, my win rate is I believe 71% is good, because I would say when in July, like consider all my trades for this year, it was 63%. I was trading 8 accounts today. I have 20 Epics accounts, but I didn't touch them yet. I'm not going to lie, I always worried about trading drawdown. Like, always worried about this. I need to trade like just 1-2 micros to build the buffer there. Yeah, and win. And win. I'm not going to touch NQ. See, it offered, I guess, 1.5 R, 1.6 R, and reversed. It's break-even trade most of the time. Alright, let's see what we have on ES. On ES, we're waiting for closure, because if it's going to be just sweep, it will go higher again. Probably to 67.28 level. Right. Once again, guys, what someone said, like, I don't show my losses. I show everything. Like, really, if I take classes on gold, I will show you. Just nothing. I can take class if you want, just to show you I take classes. I posted my last loss on silver last week. Silver. Loss was, I don't remember when it was. I guess it's not highlighted. I had 2 losses on silver this month. Don't remember. It was last week. I will try to find this trade. I don't think like it's highlighted here, because I was cleaning all my drawings. Anyway, I got 2 losses on silver this month. Could be better. Yeah, when I take classes, I absolutely don't care about them. It was last week. Yeah, I have journal on my TradeZella. I just was thinking like I have, I'm trying to leave all my trades on chart. I was thinking like if I left this, like, see, I'm trying to leave them, but I cannot find this right now. Yeah, I'm not deleting these trades. Yeah, I shorted. I posted executions on Twitter. I shorted gold. My trade on gold was this one. I took 21 points. I went to bed. I was waiting for like almost 2 hours and was watching this trade. Then I went to bed. Like, I wanted to sleep so bad. And at 2 a.m. I reached my TP. It was on personal account. Of course, I'm not going to leave like trade like this on my funded accounts. I never know if I'm going to break any rule. I always worried about this. I trade fund accounts sometimes during Asia, but most of the time it's my personal account. But on streams, probably I'm going to just trade fund accounts if I'm going to stream Asia. Because I'm going to Steam and close the trade once I'm done with Steam. I'm not going to hold this overnight. Entry always the same. It isn't always the same. This one. Yeah, P potential. I was just too lazy to write this. Sorry about this. So 5 minutes left. I'm just profitable on gold. Like, I don't see any reason to switch. I know, like, I'm not really profitable in Q. I don't see the reason to trade in Q then. I already said, like, since July, my performance on NQ was horrible. I was right 10% of the time. And, you know, I decided to fix this problem, just stop trading this at all. Like, at all. No matter how bad I want to click the button, I know, like, I promised myself, just ignore this. If I'm going to ignore this, it means my performance is going to be better. I wouldn't say gold slow, to be honest. If you trade this at the right time, it's fast. Maybe, okay. Asia sometimes is garbage because it's slow. Yeah, I wasn't trade for 5 hours yesterday, but I didn't watch this. I just closed my charts and went to bed. But I am session pre-market. I wouldn't say it's slow. I mean, of course, comparing to NQ, it's slow, but comparing to ES, it's fast. It's something like between ES and NQ. Exactly what I need. You know, when I sit and trade on gold, I never feel like I have like 200 like heartbeat. Like, I feel like calm. And I'm okay to take loss, and I will be happy to take loss because I follow my rules. But when I am in Q trade, my hands like shaking, like I always feel stressed. I'm so nervous. I don't know why when I trade in Q. But ES also okay, by the way. I have no idea how is London session. Guys, if you trade London, tell me please what time you trade London, because I have no idea. I sleep at this time. Yeah, you know, guys, I said I'm not trying to sell any courses to you. I'm really trying to show you in real time it works. Not just in hindsight charts. Of course, in hindsight, I can just highlight, I know, like every single winning trade, ignoring like, and find millions reasons why this trade, for example, failed. But I'm trying to show you this in real time. It works. Okay, I'm still watching gold, but once again, not enough for me to trade a long. Honestly, I just explained this like 20 minutes ago. Maxim, where do you live? Oh, okay. Why I don't sleep at this time? Well, guys, let's continue checking ES. Yeah, I explained this right at the beginning of Steam. Because you serious? You know, the biggest problem in trading is your psychology. Like, model, system strategy is just maybe 10% only. I'm happy I started working on psychology 6 months ago, and I'm doing way better. Because once again, I don't care about my losses at all, like at all. I have no emotions in it, but like if I want to think about what happened last year, I could cry after every single loss. Right now, I don't care. Yes, a bit garbage on 5-minute chart to trade this just yet. I like rejection. Let's see if we respect higher from level. We just balance this part, which I like. Sorry guys, fair value gap. Well, yeah, see this early candle, so we didn't get a change in the state of delivery to downside. Let's check daily candle real quick. So I cannot short ES as long as we stay above this level. I need to get the closure. At this point, I will be overall bearish for the day. Right now, I anticipate to get the action back. Oh, we have equal highs. Okay. The action back to OT at least. It's all-time high. All-time high. So I'm watching for the test 702, so probably 10-15 points higher on ES. We don't have change in the state of delivery just yet. A good bullish candle on 30-minute chart right now on both. Oh, it's not 30-minute chart. Give me 1 second. I'm going to bring this back. Okay. So I'm watching for the test of 703 level right now. I didn't watch in Q and ES during the night. I never watch. Okay, 20 seconds left on this candle. I'm wondering if we can pump over here. Oops, my bad. I was charging my... So we just got changed in the state of delivery. Let me delete some levels from my chart. So on NQ we also got changed in the state of delivery to upside. So let's see if it may offer something like this. At least. Once again, 703, 702 area. For sweep, what level you looking for to get? Like new high again? I'm trying to be conservative. I'm thinking about like at least OT. On NQ, what I would like to see, probably the test of this area again. And higher, maybe higher over here right away. Yeah, I'm kind of watching new high on NQ right now. I like this. Look at this 30-minute candle. It's extremely bullish candle. Let's see if first we can get like a retracement, then higher. Maybe it's going to just straight move down, up. Like, of course, it's possible. Yeah, maybe just no details, just maybe going to straight move up to this all-time high, but I would like to see higher. By the way, I'm holding my long on ES since yesterday. I entered at what time I entered? At 6:06. So I entered here. I'm holding this overnight still. Yeah, holding this trade. I prefer to hold overnight trades, by the way. I do like this. On yes, but I never like looking for scalps in Asia. I'm just bullish. I have level higher. I'm aiming for this level. Funny, my target was 27.75. We were like 7 points away and just like huge reversal. Happy I don't have like trading drawdowns there. Otherwise it would kill probably my account already. Watching NQ higher to all-time high looks good. About to hit OT. We never did trace. I mean, that's okay. Let's see if ES can go to 27.75 overall next couple of days. 67. Oh, it's okay. I mean, like, I'm going to hold this. Or it's going to just stop. We don't have any news, right, today? Like, nothing. Let's check gold. And gold, I don't see my model yet here to engage. Well, it's okay. I'm wondering if we made it trade slightly lower, because like we got straight move up. It created order block. Like the test of 690 area will be way better than just straight move up, but not in Q. Not in Q. We'll go just straight move. We'll go up like without retracements at all. Yeah, one more sweep, exactly. We got OT like between 703 705. That's first key area on ES. You know, I just didn't like overall, like, considering disk management, like, to enter the trade at the open of next candle, stop loss here. Like, 2R is going to be, I guess it's going to be exactly at my final target. Oh, even higher. But considering the idea enter, like, over here, it was just not best entry. But with, like, once again, if I want to trade one mini contract, it's just not smart to have stop loss 24 points. Like, no reason to risk $1,000 for, once again, for no reason. Even more than $1,000. No smart. Okay, even, for example, on NQ. Okay, order block, stop loss, I don't know, like below order block. I wouldn't say that's so smart to enter here. I mean, like, we got straight move up, that's great. But overall, considering the risk, I would never enter the trade over here. On my accounts. I mean, on evaluation maybe, or demo, it's okay, but I wouldn't enter on funded accounts. You know, I'm conservative with entries. %, like, still same idea. One second. On Ninja Trader competition, I have delayed data. Why? I never had this issue. I know. Okay, we're inside OT. On ES, we took all-time high. On NQ. On gold, just nothing yet for me. It's 10-12. I don't see anything just yet. Yeah, does not want to offer setups yet. It's okay. But huge drop, really, like 36 points from my entry. Can you make a video with your conservative entries too? I guess I'm going to just cover this inside like gold model. PDF or video. Alright guys. We got straight move up. So basically we got where's 2R where we said it's going to be. Give me 1 second. It's ignoring NQ. On yes 2R is going to be at 67.45. That's even possible to go there. Oh really? Oh yeah. That's always good to keep ES, MNQ and NQ in your chart, as well as micro gold and gold. I always try to compare this. Nothing is, yeah, exactly. I'm wondering if we may get a 3-minute chart. Okay. Pullback. You know, probably long is going to be pullback, new 3-minute OB, entry, and 67.45 will not look bad. 7:30 a.m. Oh, you know, I was a bit more bearish for the on gold initially to drop where I wanted to drop way more. So that's why I didn't any longs. Didn't take any longs, but you said 7:30. Oh yeah, it was garbage, really. Just don't want to enter on yes yet. It's not what I want to see. But if, for example, it wants to offer like a retracement, create new order block, I may actually consider long. I don't know how far we can drop, like I have no idea. Oops. But like order block, entry, and then long, it will be better. You took YM long, okay. I like ES more. Short continuation. Do you see any entry there on gold right now? I don't really see any. We got 1, 2, 3. Like I know about this candle, but 3 huge down close candles. A reaction from London high, but there is no model here to enter the trade. Oh, on my personal account, I traded high time frame 15-minute hourly chart. I'm still holding long on ES since yesterday. It says if I'm going to close the trade on my final target, I will make $4,000 on that trade. Yeah, normal, like how much you make monthly. I make enough from trading, but not millions yet, unfortunately. I got payout from one prop firm last month. It was $18,000. Not last month. Yeah, last month. From one prop firm, only one prop firm, I got $18,000. That payout. I posted this in my group. I don't post this publicly. Just saying. I'm not in Russia. I'm in US. I don't think the prop firm allows swing trading. Yeah, I agree. Like TradingView is lagging so far. Taxes. That's a great question. You know, I didn't have LLC last year. I know why. Yes, like last year it was bad. It was bad. With taxes. I don't know why we didn't have LLC, guys. We just started LLC this year. We paid a lot. Not a lot. A lot. It was crazy. Really, guys? Stupid. I'm in trade since yesterday on a yes. But yeah, be smart this year. Like lots of video on taxes, by the way, on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm going to explain this better because once again, guys, I didn't hit LC last year. Like, it was painful. Oh, interesting. I didn't know about this. I'm holding since yesterday from 6 p.m. Where is 6 p.m? Over here. My final target 67.27.75. It was 7 points away today. I swing this. I don't have group anymore. No, I'm watching yes. No more toxic relationship is NQ. 6-hour chart. Never did it before. I have like 7-hour chart on my screen, but 6-hour chart I never ever saw that before. Okay, you said we had 6-hour sweep, but what did you use for entry? Like, what time frame? Checking my trader weight right now, sorry guys. $60 minutes, 60-minute entry, okay. Oh, I got it. That's an interesting point, by the way. You said 6 hours and 30 minutes. So what you looking on 30 minutes? Like, what? Another sweep? Like, okay, we got 6-hour sweep. Then, like, on 30-minute chart, you're looking for what? Oh, 30-minute order block. All right. And then 15-minute. Oh, okay. Okay, that's an interesting point. I'm gonna watch this. Okay, let's see if it's going to offer a tracement and continuation higher. Maybe not 45, but I would like to see 27. 27.75. It's my final TP on my longs since yesterday. Hello, hello. If me get this. Thank you. Like conversion of first presented. Then long. Oh, okay, interesting. I feel like it's like risky, but can be wrong with this. So once again, here's the 2R, but I will close my swing position at 67.27, and at this point I will make 60 points on my swing trade. I'm gonna count right now, calculate this. 38 plus 27, 65 points trade. Still holding this. I'm up 2,500 unrealized P&L. This week is really like green, fat green week. I steam every day. I just feel like recently I swing trade a lot, like overall, which I hate, especially on QNES, which I really hate. But I see like better setups on high time frame. I cannot find best setups on lower time frame. Okay, 15 more points. I will close my swing long. Can I call this swing long? But I still believe it's valid trade. I'm just not sure if it's going to go for 2R. I might actually close just 90% of my position here and leave runner. Maybe it's going to be smarter decision. Not. But for swing trading, I hold 1-2 minutes. I try to like, yeah, stay away from taking bigger sides, like 1-2 minutes. What music are you playing? You mean on background? It's about to break pre-market high. Also, equal highs over there. Equal high seems obvious target for now. Yeah, some people use 15-minute potential sweep with 1 minute OB entry. It's just a bit more risky because normally 1 minute chart is just how to say, like lots of noise on it. I hate scalps. Really hate scalps. For pricing accounts maybe, but like overall. Oh, I learned how not to be emotional, I would say 6 months ago only. So it was hard for me. I just was working on it. It's really hard. Because guys, because I was emotional, I was crying after each loss. Because I was like, how is it impossible? I'm wrong. And I was taking like garbage setups pretty often. Maybe like not 6 months, maybe more. At the beginning of this year. But yeah, it was hard. It was hard. Just need to accept that, like, you can be wrong. You can be wrong. It's part of the game. And right now, when I take a loss, I mean, okay, I will try again tomorrow. Like, nothing wrong with this because I know if I'm going to try to earn more, most likely I will get more losses. I'm going to repeat this again. I already said it many, many times. Because every single time when I'm trying to recover, I take setups. Setups? No, I don't take setups. I just chase the price. What is setup? What is model when I'm trying to recover? Forget about this. Forget about this. I'm just taking like random candles. Because I think like it's time to go up. Let's go higher. Let's go long here with stop loss 2 points. Because I don't want to take bigger losses. Of course, it stops me out. I'm going to enter again. Yeah. It's hard, unfortunately. And I remember, like, I clearly remember this. I remember, let's say I took a loss, I don't know where. I want to take long right. I don't want to take long right now. Just trying to say how it looked. Long here, stop loss below. I know, like, over this candle low. Why? Because I need like tight stop loss. I need bigger losses. Of course, it stops me out. I'm going to try again, like 2 ticks stop loss, and you got it. So hate it so much. You know how I stopped? I stopped trying to recover when I understand, like, okay, if I'm going to just stick to my model, nothing else, just only my model, losses will be part of the game, because model cannot be like 100% guaranteed, right? It will be just part of the game. You followed your rules, it's okay, it was good loss. But if I'm going to chase the price simply because I think like market is going to go there because I want to see this, I don't see the model, this means I broke rule. Even if I got win, it's not model, you broke your rules. That's it. I look great. Thank you. I was sleeping well. I didn't sleep well yesterday. So once again, I will close my swing trade at 67.27.75. I'm up $3,000 right now on my swing trade. If I'm going to, yeah. It's hard. Yeah, I'm up $3,000 in my long on since yesterday. I'm holding. I entered at 6 p.m. long. Yeah, I made like almost $900 on 8 accounts. Plus, let's see if I'm going to make almost $4,000 on this long. And if so, it's going to be one of the best days for a long time. Oh, thank you. I have better relationship with NQ. Like, E is better. Let's see if my take equal highs go to 67.27.75. About Asia stream, you know, my friend is here for 5 days. She said she can help me with kids during the night. And I will ask her today if she can sit with them or at least put them to bed without me. And if so, I will stream tonight. Yeah, Asia was nice. My kids 4 and 6. If she will not mind, so it will be at 8 p.m. Yeah, not going to promise this because she's not at home. Right now, they went to the beach, but I will ask her after this, so I hope so. Yeah, last video on ICT YouTube channel how to trade all-time high is solid. Do you think it's worth to paper trade? You know, I'm trying to stay away from paper trading at all. I just know these feelings. I didn't trade, I guess, for more than 1 year. More than 1 year, yeah. Maybe 2 years. I don't touch this. I will try to execute on evaluation. Why? Because I know this feeling when you're trying to execute. Of course, first, you can reset your demo account. Second, you can, you don't feel any emotions when you're on your paper trade. I would try to go on evaluation to try something, but not demo. It's like no red flag. Sometimes I use paper trading tool. Like I turn on this to just see how big risk. You know, I'm just moving this with amount of dollars. Like with this amount of contracts, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm turning like paper money here on TradingView, and I'm putting like 2 contracts here. If I'm going to like risk here and I'm going to win here, so how much it's going to be? So yeah, I use this for this only. Also, I'm coming for my first payout on funding ticks. I'm working on improving my consistency rule. And yeah, it will be my first payout for, with them. Yeah, I have like all fresh funded accounts because I blew everything, like not everything, but most of accounts. So coming for new first payouts almost everywhere. Like Take Profit Trader because it can take daily payouts. Also, I do like TradingView straight to funded as well. So hope to get payouts soon. It's just always hard to build the buffer. I hate it so much. Come on, yes, 15 more points and I will close the trade. I never tried Apex 100k. I only tried 50k only. And I can't imagine how I'm going to build buffer right now on Apex accounts. It's going to take forever, probably. By the way, with Funded not yet. I have accounts with them, but I didn't touch them, by the way. I just open and close positions, so I don't try to trade them yet. I need. Once again, when you trade your fund accounts, consider this as evaluation. I mean, trade exactly the same as you trade your valuation without like full port. I mean, like you're trying to scalp, you're profitable on scalps, you're trying to follow your model on evaluation. Then what you need to do, just trade exactly the same way. Simple. Come on, yes. Stop playing games. So I don't really like gold yet, so it just feels like it's playing games right now. No setup here. We got -3, but it's not like something special here. I would rather to go for another. Okay, maybe not like this low again, but clear sweep of internal sell side, and then the tracement back. For example, we have flat candle over here. That can be levels that I can watch. But would like to see like, you know, like one more sweep. My model here along to this level. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so to get something like this. How? I mean, like I passed my evaluations on Apex trading 1 mini contract, and I was scalping. I got 6 scalps, 6 wins. I never was wrong on my scalps. I passed this for 1 hour, I guess, just scalping gold. I cannot say like I was gambling because I execute just 1 minute chart. I mean, I still treating funded accounts same way as was, I guess. I think so. Yes, playing games right now. Like leaving equal highs. See? Equal highs over here. It was like 1 point away. Maybe the tracement, but I still would like to see my final TP at 66.27. Yeah, you know, like I didn't have like I have like right now probably psychological issue to trade Apex because I need to build buffer from the very beginning, and of course I want to see profit faster. But in reality, I need to trade like 3, maybe 4 micros to build this buffer. It will take forever for the first payout, unfortunately. I'm up on Apex $0. $0, 0 cents. I just want to, like, I don't see the model right now on gold to enter long, but I don't mind to see higher at this point. I want to see lower because no model here. Yeah, buffer is not a crazy journey. Exactly. Which I hate so much. Oh, you took first trade on gold? That's amazing. On fund account. That's amazing. See, it works. Yes, exactly. I have exactly the same feeling when I'm trying to build the buffer. It's exactly the same way that I need to pass a while again. I never traded, by the way, 32 accounts at the same time. I always scared to trade epics with other prop firms. I would rather to just trade epics like separately. But I know it's not for me. I live in Florida. Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm always feel so on gold. For example, it wasn't happened today, but it happened yesterday. I was holding my long on gold, and look at this like retracement, 8 points. That's pretty much a lot. And if, for example, if it's like couple of minutes, it's going to kill your account immediately. You love my nail color? Thank you. I love this as well. Take your mind. Don't worry about this. No, purple. By the way, my son asked for purple. I said like purple. It's too boring. How to add hourly candle? I'm going to try indicators. All indicators I use 30, but I'm testing one paid indicator, but not going to promote this at least for now. I know. I feel like it's big. Maybe on phone it's small. Yes, it's more. So I'm wondering if we take equal highs again. And going to offer me perfect money. Yeah, I'm going to stay on TradingView TV as well with Rebecca at 12:30. So trying to trace, we have SMT with NQ right now. She's nice, but I like her. I'm happy I'm not going to Steam alone, Which I don't like. Yes, it's not so easy, exactly. Such a scam. Still holding, so nothing changed. Come on, yes, are you serious? What's the point to even equal highs? Let's see what NQ is offering right now. We have potential sweep. We took all-time high. We got 3-minute OB on NQ. I'm going to cut 50% of this move up on NQ. So I can actually expect it tracing back to 50% on NQ. So basically 700 level. Need to keep in mind, like, stop loss range is quite big, so stop loss can be around like 30 to 50 points. But I'm not going to close my like swing trade. I'm totally fine if it's going to just move all the way down to break even. Oh, you changed your account? Okay, let's see. I'm wondering about this. Let me show you. You cannot see this probably. I'm wondering if ES can go to this equal highs. You passed your MyFunders account with my money. That's brilliant. That sounds so good. Happy people can make money using this model. So right now I'm waiting for if it's going to close above sequence of down close candles to look for final move over 27 and then 40 level. Just wondering if we may close above sequence. I mean, maybe we can drop, of course, I don't know. But above the sequence, maybe something like this, if it's going to close above this level. I don't have courses. I'm not going to like mentor someone. I do this on YouTube, that's it. People want to see show. People want to see lots of like huge numbers, like lots of contracts and trade. So, you know, I'm a bit different. I'm not the person that's trying to blow accounts every single day, and I actually share everything. Like, I blew accounts, I'm going to share this. So I didn't blow lots of funded accounts at all, by the way. But yeah, of course, if I'm going to just chase every single move, we'll trade, I don't know, with 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I will have more people because it's interesting, huge numbers. But in reality, I'm like humble. I'm making like my 600, 800, $1,000 a day, and I'm going away. Yeah, we're different. We're all different. Really expect to get solo set up after 10, but in reality, just playing games which I don't like at all. So no closure above this level, so it's not valid yet. Surprised to see how they failed to take equal highs. I expect to get a bit more move up than we got over here. Top to yesterday, I didn't take any trade. I was trying to take, but it stopped me out at break even. Yesterday I was, where is my performance? Today I guess it's that's my performance on Arena. I was 292. I made like almost $1,300. You up to 2K, yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I still would like to see higher. Yeah, I saw someone made $8,000. These guys even sleep? Really? That's crazy. This scalping, so like I don't do this. Of course I could scalp, I don't know, like from here to here, and it's already like $500 and so on. I'm just not sure how it's even possible to make $8,000. I mean, it's possible, but you need to sit in front of your computer all day. Really, all day. NQ barely moving so far. We have a change in the state of delivery on 3-minute chart. So if it wants to drop, I would like to see 705, I guess. 704 level. You're tracing lower. I didn't like it. But not going to close anyway. Yeah, I'm going to host another competition. It's not going to be next month, but I believe in December. So we will be able to trade gold there. So we will be able to trade gold on a new competition, which I like way more. We have potential sweep on gold on 30-minute chart, but we don't have setup yet. But reaction can be from 30-minute fair value gap. I believe a couple of competitions ago, we had options to trade several instruments, not only, for example, NQ or ES. We could trade like gold, NQ, and micro. Gold, micro, NQ, micro, ES. I don't know why we don't have this option this time, but maybe next time. So once again, there's a chance on NQ go to 50% because we got straight move up. So normally price tends to retrace back to 50%. Thank you. So it's 704 level. On yes, it's quite deep retracement in my opinion, which is it could be better. Women account, you mean TradeZella group on TradeZella or Ninja Trader Replikanto? What are you asking? Yeah, I have posted about this on my Twitter. I posted this 2 days ago. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you a link right now. Here's how you can create group on your trader weight. I'm participating in competition right now. I made $1,300 there. So I don't feel like I'm going to be first because I need to make $8,000. It's impossible. Competition ends tomorrow. But we're gonna see. I don't have time to scalp this, you know. I don't like the deep retracement on ES, but I still believe equal highs is obvious drawn liquidity. Maybe they will leave this for tomorrow, but you know, on this arena competition, I can trade only like 10 micros, up to 10 micros. So I cannot do like heavy size or something like this. Check the XY. I never check the XY, by the way. I don't feel like it helps me. I mean, yeah. How to go straight? Are you serious? Let's check gold. We have some solid SMT at these lows. We're trying to respect our fair value gap. Right? We have, yeah, we already have OB. So let's see if price can retrace lower. At least to these lows. At this point, it will create potential sweep for us. Gold model for Asia, for pre-market, for AM session is the same. So let's see if it may at least offer attempt to retrace to these lows again. It's not like big drop. I anticipate with like 5-6 points lower to take these lows at least. I use your phone. Okay, that's crazy, honestly. Yeah, watching these lows at least. I believe it's going to be 2R or so. Let's see. Like, and shares open of next candle, where is 2R? It's 1.5R. 2R is a bit lower. But yeah, I'm probably just watching these lows. What's your target? I'm not sure about 2. I mean, possible 2R, but I'm not sure about this. I just would like to see new sweep. Actually, this low. Yeah. This low. When we have huge wick, I don't use wick. But when we have like, let's say, order block like this, with small wick, I do use this. Like entire candle. So let's see if it may offer potential sweep. If not, then it's okay, just lower. But I don't want to long from this level. I would like to, if it wants to reverse for some reason, I mean, possibly, I would like to see we going to this level. Once again, it's not lots of points. I'm supposed to get like 6-7 points drop. But I'm not on this trade, I'm just analyzing this. No. I'm just analyzing this. Just would like to see a sweep of liquidity level over here. It's not something I would like to trade. Why? Because I feel like I'm more bullish. Just a bit more bullish. I would like to see this level taken at 3693.1. That's my key level for today. But honestly, in order to enter long, I would like to see lower prices first, which is not what we have right now. That is why I am not in this trade, because I feel like I'm going to trade against trend. No, it was a great question, so. I feel like long on ES will be possible from new 3-minute OB or 2-minute OB, but something like this. Still surprised to see how ES left equal highs higher. Like we have triple top, like even like four touches. I don't know. I didn't take this because I feel like I'm more bullish, so I don't want to trade against the trend. Sometimes we needed this, but over here, why I would like to see the retracement simply to offer like long for me. It's not what I should trade, you know. Preferably, yes, go here. I really would like to see this move down. But I'm not quite sure if we are going to get this. Ideally, yes. So if it wants to be bullish, I would like to see reversal from this level, from this area, not lower. I mean, once again, it's valid. But overall, we already took London low, and we never got like solid retracement. Retracement where? To premium. Why I would like to see premium? Because we trade inside the range, overall range right now. And on 5-minute chart, we do have flat candle. So at 36.93. So I don't mind to see, once again, if it wants to be bullish, I can be front with my bias overall. I would like to see reversal from this area, back to 93. But why I would like to see this reversal from this area with potential sweep. Right now, like no way it will offer potential sweep. See this 30-minute candles? Nothing, unfortunately. So that's why I would like to see this, but it's going to be against the trend. And maybe it's not that logical, but I would like to see this. But as you can see, I'm not in this trade. I prefer to trade in the direction of trend. Here's like not really. Oh, my bad. It's gold. Yeah, it's gold. Sorry about this. Overall, we took London low. I anticipate to get the retracement back to premium, so basically back to 90s. Ideally. But I would say this setup looks good simply because we need a sweep. If it wants, once again, it can be bearish. I'm not saying it's bullish like right now. Just bullish move makes sense. But bullish move from this area makes more sense than from this current area. That's why I would like to see lower. Let's check silver. Nothing interesting there. It's inside consolidation. Strong bullish 30-minute candle. Retracing back to 30-minute fair value gap. Rejection back to discount. So it's quite choppy right now. I don't really like this. Back on yes. I see volatility right now. We have some sort of news. Let's check financial juice. What time is this? What time is this? What time is this? 11:06. I don't really see any news right now. Trump said something? And Q going higher, which is nice. Yes, kind of struggling. I'm not going to enter long immediately. I would like to see setup based on 30-minute potential sweep from this area. If it's not going to present setup, I'm not going to touch at all. Yeah, or I would like to see like that flat candle at 36.93, but it may take time, a bit more time than usual. Yeah, I'm still holding my swing on ES. As I said, like, I'm up 36 points right now there. I mean, if it's going to stop me slightly in profit, my stop loss and slightly in profit, it's okay. As I said, I will close my swing at this level. Or slightly in profit. But I deleted the guess already. Here it is. Here's the time to trade gold. Hello guys, hello. You're welcome. Such ugly consolidation. Yeah, at least this area. Huge drop on CL. Yeah, we got some sort of news, I guess. I don't really know what kind of news we got, but we got something. Definitely. Inq trying to pump while ES really struggling, which is annoying. Okay. Okay. Because I saw some volatility on ES and Q as well. Well, oil dropped hard. Like 60 cents and it's still moving lower. We need to go here, so yeah. Let's see if it's going to go there. $36.68.50, so I would like to see that level. But once again, I would like to see near liquidity sweep over here. If it's going to be like double sweep, it's going to be even stronger. I mean, I didn't see something that's worth to trade on CL, but good job for you, good job. We'll continue going. Who knows? Who knows? We cannot see the future. Put model, of course. Let me see where it is. It's somewhere on my screen. We lost this. Oh, here we go. Not sure if I can make it bigger. Actually, I can. Let me make it bigger. Take screenshots. I live in Florida, so I have New York time. New York time here. So let's see if gold can offer this retracement lower. It was close, but once again, I would like to see not just random reaction, but would like to see sweep at least near sell side. Tomorrow is Friday, so there's a chance to get a TGIF tomorrow. $10 a.m., 10 a.m. Nothing happened over here. It's hourly chart. No, nothing happened. This one is nothing. Look at this 30-minute chart overall. Seems tricky. But if it's going to present opportunity for me after sweeping this low and only from this range over here, I will look for the trade higher. Once again, I have perfect win on gold during Asia and perfect win before market open. Price made all-time high. Yeah. 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 But still, I have 2 wins today. Yeah, gold doing nice. I mean, it's not me doing great. It's model presents itself daily. In Asia, over here and in pre-market. Like sometimes between 10 and 11. Here's, for example, between 10 and 11, like after 11. Oh, I'm not in this trade. I already done with, I already base hit. If I'm going to execute, I'm going to execute probably on Apex accounts because I already made like almost $900 today on my funded accounts. 8 funded accounts. I just don't like base hit. I'm just trying to follow these rules. By the way, it's just, I believe lots of people trade this model. It's not my discovery, by the way. I just adjusted it a little bit for myself. You can try on Forex. I was trying on Euro futures. It works, but you can actually try thesis on on Forex as well. I cannot know for sure. I don't have name for this. Like, I just trade this on gold. For example, this month I took 2 losses on silver trade in this model, but so far I'm doing great on gold. Asia setups, pre-market setups, silver bull setups. It doesn't work on NQ. Yes, by the way, it works better on NQ. Exactly, I agree with you. It works on ES, but it works horrible on NQ. On ES it works. Just doesn't work on NQ. I don't know why. That's true. Because it works pretty much everywhere, but not on NQ. And they keep saying NQ not manipulated. Gold boot. Maybe. Oh, it's the same, so my bad. Bitcoin doesn't... I didn't test on Bitcoin, I have no idea. I'm still in my swing on ES. Thinking about if it's going to pump or not. I will close at 67.27 in case we can go there. Yeah, I watched his last video. It was a great video about all-time highs. Other time frames, it calls ICT high from candles. Oh, guys, my bad. You didn't say like I'm... My bad, guys. I'm so sorry. You cannot see my charts. Sometimes it's just... Sorry about this. Here's the indicator. Go higher, let me win on my... If I'm going to win, I'm going to make $4,000 on my personal account. If it's going to go to my next to my break-even, I will make $200 only. No, I'm not sure. I already said like 3 times. And explain the reason why I don't want to take this. Because I'm bullish. I need this retracement, but this retracement is like nice to have this, but not necessary. So Please, just 20 more points and I will go away. Give me money. My TP set there. I hate TradeAway sometimes because it's so hard to use this after Ninja Trader. But yeah, still watching TradeAway. My TradeAway account. I'm holding just one trade right now, nothing else. Only yes longs. From 6 p.m. yesterday. From here. My final target, I left this overnight, was 67.27. It was 66.20 and they scammed me by 7 points. Well, 7 points is nothing, but what was the problem to take this level? I have projections there. 2.5 standard deviation. Silver long? Why? Oh, you mean like potential sweep? Did we hit any level? Silver is like a really risky instrument to trade. You have big week. I still would like to see slightly lower on gold, just slightly lower. I wouldn't mind to see on silver the test of 825 first, to be honest. Like if it wants to pump somewhere from this level, will be better, honestly. Also lines up with liquidity level over here. Yeah, let's see if it may take 825. I wouldn't long on silver just yet. Main point, once again, where is my notes? Lost them again. But main points. A reaction from high time frame level must be confirmed by sweep. Not just random sweep at the middle of nowhere. That's important. I'm in love with Take Profit Trader. As said, Tradify, my funded futures, and Take Profit Trader 3 best prop firms ever. Then like Funditix, Epix, Funded Next, and I'm not trading with TapStep. Yeah, you can request daily payouts. You know, I had TapStep X before, and I already explained that it was just hard for me. It was hard for me like to trade at the same time at different platforms. I was like, I'm going to switch to TradeAway, and they stopped working with TradeAway. So if they still have, for example, TradeAway, I would say like TapStep, but yeah. Exactly. Yeah, my funded set fund, I believe it's valid until September 19. So SIM funded account is set on my funded futures less than $200, like $199, I believe. It's becoming so slow. So let's see. We got OB on ES after we got potential sweep and reaction from 30-minute fair value gap. Really would like to see it holding this area to pump higher. Otherwise, I don't know what it's going to do. Maybe it's going to play games until the rest of the day. But really what I would like to see be holding this area for continuation higher, not below this area for longs. You got my point. So I'm bullish above this area. So look, 30% off on Tradify TV in all accounts, but not Project X. Project X is running 40% off. Tradify running 40% off on Project X, but you cannot get this sale on 150k straight to fund it, and you need to use different code. It's like PX. PX to get 40% off on Project X on Tradify. 9K. All right, I mean, perfect. Crazy, man. But good job, right? Maybe. Like, I mean, it's hard for me to make $10,000 because once again, I need to sit in front of my computer all day. So yeah, any other accounts in TradeDeFi is 30% off. I personally got Project X straight to fund it. And I got how many? I have 2 TradeAwait, which I have on my NinjaTrader. Unfortunately, it's not a great idea to trade gold during PM session. It doesn't really work. Normally, it's like this. I mean, it's just slow. Yeah, guys, I'm going for my first payout on Funding Ticks. Yeah, I'm doing so well there. By the way, they're running 35% off right now. So on Funding Ticks, I bought 0 plan. So it's also basically straight to funded account. 35% off is going to end on Sunday. So I highly recommend them because so far I have great experience with them, with their customer service. Perfect. So I do like this as well. But I don't really like their platform. I like their website because it shows I have most trades during load and kill zone, most of my trades taken during load and kill zone. But I never ever in my life took any trades during load and kill zone. I mean, what? But oral is nice. Yes, I do use Copier. I copy all my accounts. Not my. I don't copy Epic's accounts, but other accounts, yes. How much? I don't remember, but I'm going to check for it because right now they're running 35% off. It's going to be cheaper because I use also this sale 35% off. Without 0, I have 100k and 50k. So 50k costs $500 plus 35% off. Yes, if you want to try this, you can use my code if you want. It will give you 35% off. Once again, straight to fund it, if you want to if you don't want to spend your time on evaluations, that's okay. But overall, it's quite expensive. So it's better to, Funded Ticks, TradeDeFi growth plan, my funded futures, funding does not have activation fee. So maybe it's a bit more smart and just spend a bit more time on evaluation, but pay less. My opinion. So nothing is going on ES. Once again, I would like to be bullish above this area only, not lower. And as long as we hold in this area, I would like to see higher, but we have lots of SMDC, so. I mean, lots of great experience with Funded Next as well. So what is beauty to trade Funded Next? I know like people why it's called a scam because honestly I didn't have problem with them. But as you can see, I don't really promote them, just my experience. They're great. And beauty to trade Funded Next futures, you pay only one-time evaluation fee. So let's say you paid for 50k, you don't need to pay for the second month, for third month. So just one-time evaluation fee, which is by the way pretty much cheap. And you don't have activation fee. So I believe funded next is the way to go as well. I mean, I do like them, so I don't have any issue. Lots of people call them scammers, but once again, I don't have issue with them. But as you can see, I don't really promote them. Trying to see how much. Yeah, it's like $129 only plus 10% off. Like a bit more than $100 a one-time evaluation fee. I mean, once again, I do like this. Guys, I personally buy these accounts as well, so I spent my money on this, so just sharing with you. Yeah, rapid challenge. Like, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like this. I like this. Payouts, yeah, payouts, crypto payouts, best thing what I like in Funded Next. I still have I have old account with them before Rapid Challenge, but yeah, all accounts I spent my own money on this, just sharing my experience. So let's see, once again, we're still holding this zone on ES for continuation higher. For continuation higher, I would like to see equal highs broken to go to 67.27 to make my $4,000. Please stop playing games, just go there. Because right now I'm up $2,300. I mean, that's nice, but I have projections higher. That's why I would like to see higher. Please. I'm on arena competition. I'm up $1,300 only. But once again, I don't have like gold to be first there. Like, it's impossible. Gold that's it. Gold did it best. We stuck inside 3 points range. Would like to see slightly lower on silver, just slightly lower. I don't think like that's a significant drop, but 825 will be nice to see. And once again, on gold, I'm still watching this area, like 3668.5. Yeah, I'm still participating. Once again, I'm absolutely in love with arena competition because I can practice how to trade ES there. So we're holding this area right now. I'm going to see where is new candle. If it's going to present new OB, at this point it's going to be high probability move up. But slow. Okay. Minor pullback, 50 seconds left on these candles, and closure above the done close candle. And probably, no, like long for 10 points. It's already consolidation, but it's not even PM session yet. I'm not sure if ICT is still here, so it's boring price action, so... So, okay, 12 seconds left on this candle. Well, guys, let's finish for now. I'm going to see you in 1 hour on TradingView TV. Okay, guys? Yeah, right now I'm just... Yeah, it's boring right now. I will see you guys in 1 hour on TradingView TV. Okay, guys? Yeah, guys, I have a call right now. Yeah. I will see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.